Hello and welcome to this Verify Ed tutorial on how to successfully create and upload a CSV to our platform. This is done so that you can issue credentials with different data to each of your respective users, as well as add any other additional information that you would like to include so that it will then also be displayed on the issued certificate. This video will cover downloading the template CSV, inputting data into the CSV, and uploading the CSV into the software. So if you have any questions or queries regarding these aspects, you can skip to these sections using the timestamps on the screen. To start off, we need to download the template CSV. You can do this by simply clicking Download our template on this page. Alternatively, the link to the CSV will also be found in the description below. So you can click one of these links and the CSV will automatically download, so then you can just open it up and we can move on to the next step, inputting data into the CSV. So here we have our CSV. To begin with, it just contains the 4 required value categories, which are email, name, outcome, and date. We're going to need to input all of these data points for each of our respective users in order to successfully upload the CSV. So I'll go ahead and add in 2 institutional users here as an example, starting with their email, adding their respective names, inputting what their outcome was, so that's their achieved grade or performance, however that's measured, and then finally adding the date. So those data points are required for every single user, but we also have the option to add in our own personalized categories that we would like to see displayed on the credential. So for example here, I'm going to add for these users location and rank. Some data must be formatted in a specific way. For example, the date must be formatted in the day, month, year format as shown. However, if you do happen to have any errors in your CSV upload, it's not a big issue. Fortunately, our wonderful system will flag up any errors immediately alongside their location in the spreadsheet, so you can easily go back and resolve these issues. Having said this, it may save time getting it right the first time around, so perhaps practice uploading a CSV like I'm doing with a couple example institutional users to make sure that your formatting is correct to begin with. If it is, when you upload it, you'll see this message here. Once you've inputted the data for all of your respective users and then uploaded it and received this message, you have then successfully uploaded the CSV. All there is to do now is to click Next. You will then have a chance to preview how your credentials look, and if you are happy with it, you can then go ahead and send them out. Congratulations, you have successfully issued blockchain verified credentials to your users. Thank you for watching this Verify Ed tutorial. If you experience any issues at all using our platform, then consider checking out some of our other tutorial videos. Or, alternatively, get in touch with a member of our team. We'll be more than happy to help.